activity called cooking without fire. How many of you likes to cook here? Very good. So today we are going to make sandwich. How many of you likes to eat sandwich here? Very good, Tanvi. What is this?
Cucumber.
What about this?
Mixture.
This one?
Tomato. Bread.
Then?
Onion.
And then?
Corn.
Very good. Shall we give big round of applause to Tanvi? Clap your hands.
Mixture. Bread.
Okay.
Onion. Corn.
Corn. Okay. So we are going to make sandwich with the help of these 5 items. Okay. Shall we start now? Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. Now everybody has to take a piece of cucumber. Take one piece of cucumber like this. Like this. A piece of tomato. Where is tomato here? Very good. Don't fight. Yeah. For you also. And then last. For me also Biksha. And a tomato. Now I will take what? My sandwich. Okay. Now let's add onion. Where is onion here? Where is onion? Take a piece of onion and keep it. I will give you it. Next, we are going to add sweet corn. Sudarsana, where is sweet corn here? Okay. Take a spoon of sweet corn and keep it on the top of your sandwich. The last and the most favorite part of everyone, what is that? We are going to add mixture. Wait, okay? Come to the head now. Shall we take a last piece of bread and keep it over your sandwich and finish it? Okay. Take your bread. Take your bread here. Keep it on the top. We know Diksha, take a sandwich. Take a bite now. Shall we take a bite? Take a bite like this. Crunchy? Crunchy, I thought. Very good. Okay, now eat. Everybody eat. How many of you like to eat sandwich here? Very good. So everybody here likes to eat sandwich. Shall we make sandwich now? Shall we start? Everybody has to take a piece of bread. Take a piece of bread. First, cucumber. Piece of cucumber. Next, you have to take and add a piece of onion. Where is onion here? Very good. Where is tomato here? Where is tomato? Find tomato from these. Very good. Next, shall we add sweet corn? Shall we add sweet corn or sweet corn? Very good. Everybody's favorite part. What is that? No. What is that? Shall we add mixture now? Wait, I will give you. Wait. Next, we have to take a piece of bread and we have to cover a sandwich. Okay? And then we have to take a bite. Shall we add? Take a bite. Shall we eat now? Take a bite. Is it tasty?